Here's the inside of the Abundant Harvest truck. We have our flat top grill, and then a little workspace, and then a 6-burner stove top with a full-size convection oven. Down here is our sandwich prep space with lots and lots of storage. And then we have a full-size refrigerator, which is empty right now but won't be for long. Over here we have our hand washing sink, and then those pot washing, and then we have a big workstation that 2 people can be prepping at. And finally, one more refrigerator that is full size right up here in the front. So we'll be able to have everything right where we need it. These windows will open up and we will be up and going soon.